home loan applications fell 0.5% in the week ending August 22, according to the Mortgage Lenders Association. This is the second consecutive week of declines. This consecutive decline comes after mortgage interest rates stabilized. The average interest rate on the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage was 6.58% for the week ending August 21, compared to 6.46% for the same period in 2024. The Market Composite Index, which measures mortgage loan application volume, fell 0.5% on a seasonally adjusted basis compared to the previous week. On an unadjusted basis, it fell 2% compared to the previous week. The refinance index also fell 4% compared to the previous week, but was 19% higher than the same week last year. On the other hand, the seasonally adjusted purchase index rose 2% compared to the previous week. However, the unadjusted index declined 0.1% compared to the previous week, while it was 25% higher than the same week last year. The percentage of borrowers opting to refinance decreased to 45.3% of total applications, compared to 46.1% the previous week. The share of adjustable rate mortgages, ARMs, also declined to 8.4% of total applications. The Federal Housing Administration, FHA, share of total applications remained unchanged at 19.1% compared to the previous week. The share of Veterans Affairs loans fell to 13.3% from 13.4% the previous week. The share of USDA loans also declined to 0.5% from 0.6%. Purchase applications had their strongest week in more than a month, up 2%, and the average loan size rose to a 2-month high of $433,400, said Joel Kahn, Vice President and Chief Economics Officer at MBA. Contract interest rates *. The average interest rate for 30-year fixed-rate mortgages with conforming loan limits, $806,500 or less, rose slightly to 6.69% from 6.68%, with points remaining unchanged at 0.60. Effective rates also remained steady. For 30-year fixed-rate mortgages with jumbo loan limits, $806,500 or more, the rate increased to 6.67% from 6.64%, with points decreasing to 0.44 from 0.60. The average interest rate for FHA-backed mortgages decreased to 6.35% from 6.39%, with points increasing to 0.80 from 0.66. Conversely, the average interest rate for 15-year fixed-rate mortgages rose to 6.03% from 5.96%. With points increasing to 0.77 from 0.70. The average interest rate on 5/1-month adjustable rate mortgages fell to 5.94% from 6.01%. Prospective buyers appear to be less sensitive to interest rates at these levels and more active. Supported by increased inventory and slower home price growth in many areas of the country, Kahn said.